So friends, I am happy to be surrounded by cancer survivors who are with the CanKids Foundation today. And as you can see, all of them have participated in the Mumbai Marathon and they all are carrying this completion medal. It's a matter of great satisfaction to see children of this age fighting against cancer, and honestly speaking, when you can run a marathon, then you have defeated it. So this is the great message that these people have said. I would really say that they are all the brand ambassadors against the fight against cancer, and they are the people who prove by example that nothing is impossible if you have the will to fight and if you have a proper backup system. So I must say that they are all parts of the CanKids Foundation. The CanKids Foundation has a MOU with the government of Maharashtra. CanKids Foundation works for pediatric cancer patients who are children. This is one part of cancer which requires enormous amount of focus. This is one part of cancer which requires this focus because not only is it with children, but more importantly, there is a lesser amount of awareness regarding this type of cancer. So this foundation is doing a great job, not only in identifying the patients, not only in spreading awareness about this particular thing. So they are having this campaign called as Hak Ki Baat, which they are spreading across various parts of the country. And I've got two people here who are active campaigners of the Hak Ki Baat campaign. And these are the people who are taking this message ahead. Now, I must say that CanKids MOU with Government of Maharashtra is a new MOU, but it is shaping up reasonably well. And CanKids is now associated with us not only in the post-cancer care of the patients, but they also do a very good job in providing education, in providing teaching to the children who suffer from cancer. These children cannot go to school every day, so they have certain needs, and those regular needs are addressed by the Canshala. And I am really happy to say that they have been doing this particular work. I hope CanKids Foundation carries its work with greater zeal. There's a huge part which has to be covered, and these are, I must say, fledgling steps. These are the initial steps. There's a lot more to be done, and I think the job that they would be doing would be very satisfying, not only for the people who would defeat cancer themselves, but also for the people who would be a part of that journey. So I thank you for doing this, in fact, coming here, and I wish CanKids Foundation and all the cancer survivors and all the other people associated with it the very best. Thank you.
Yeah. Great job. Great job.